Have you ever wondered how couponers know exactly what coupons are available for all the items they buy? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this is done using a coupon database. Grab your coffee or tea, and let's get started. Alright everyone, so today we are going to learn how to use a coupon database. So very simply, just pull up Google and type in coupon database. And there are a bunch of different coupon databases you can use. They are all generally the same. I just have been using Southern Savers for years. I find that there's not a ton of ads, so it's very easy for you just to get the job done. You can use whichever one you want. They all basically have the same information, but for the purpose of the video, I'm going to show you how to use Southern Savers. So once the page loads, you're going to notice that there's a bunch of different coupons listed, and usually they're the newest coupons. But we're going to leave all this blank. And what a database is, whatever coupon or item you're searching for, a database is going to pull together and show you every coupon that is available for that specific item. It's going to show you e-coupons, it's going to show you mobile rebates, it's going to show you where you can find it in paper coupon. It's going to show you all of that. So what we're going to do is type in Huggies. All right. And it's going to show you a list of coupons. This one is a paper coupon. And how you can tell is because there's no blue option for either a printable or e-coupon. It's just the information here. Now, how you would be able to find this is if you organize your coupons by date, you will be able to find this in the SS 310 edition, and SS means Smart Source. So if you use your folder method and you organize your coupon by date, it will be in the Smart Source book in the 310 folder. There will also be a coupon available in the Smart Source 317 edition. So you can find this coupon in two different places, and that is how you read exactly where the coupon is from. And if you don't have either of these coupons, there is a printable link. So if you have your printer hooked up and you want to print a coupon for Huggies, if you really need that for a deal, click on the printable link. And if I'm not mistaken, these are two different links. So you very well may be able to print two different coupons. So click printable. So with any coupon online other than a coupons.com coupon, you'll just have to sign in or join the rewards program. Very easy. It's free to do. Just give them your email address and then it will bring you to a link to where you can print out the coupon. It's very easy to do. I'm not going to do it because I don't have my printer hooked up at the time, but it's really easy to do. And if we want to go back, we're going to go back to the database and see if this is a different coupon. So we're just going to click on this one. And it looks like this is a different Huggies coupon. I wasn't specific in the database. I just put Huggies in. So it's pulling up all of the Huggies stuff. So if you wanted Huggies diapers, you could have been more specific. But then again, the database does show you. Actually, this says Huggies wipe, but it's a printable. But yeah. That's just the database. Well, actually, that pulled up a Huggies wipe coupon. This will tell you that this is an e-coupon from a store called Kruger. I don't have one around here. This will tell you there's $1.50 off of Huggies diapers, 10 count Smart Source 310. So it's pretty self-explanatory as long as you know what these little abbreviations mean at the end, and that whenever there's a link that says printable, it is a printable coupon. So why this is important is because when you find an item in the sales paper, if you want to see if that item is available or if there is a coupon for that item that is on sale, you'll just type in whatever item you want. And if there is a coupon anywhere on the internet available for that item, it will come up in the database. That is how coupon matchups are made. There are people who do matchups that make it easier for you. They do this. They go through the sales ad, they type in specific items from the sales ad, and they do the hard work for you. They find the coupons for you. But if you don't want to wait for somebody to do that, or if you shop at a certain store that nobody really coupons at, this would be your better option in learning how to use the coupon database. So coupon databases are not hard to use. It's just a matter of knowing what you're reading. And I hope this helped.
If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.